people, beautiful place, and everything is being wonderful. Great night, a good time.
Name's Damani Daniel with Eventbrite. I'm the DFW Event Evangelist for Eventbrite. I've been out here tonight at the Connector Effect. It's been a great opportunity to connect with some people that are doing things all across the Metroplex in a variety of different functions. It's been really cool because you get the opportunity to see people that you wouldn't normally get to see out, and you get to learn not just about who they are as a person, but what they do as a business. So I was really excited that we could be a part of this tonight, that they were able to use Eventbrite for their ticket and registration, and that I got the opportunity to come out here and really connect with some amazing people. So if you're looking for something to do on a given night and Connector Effect is going on in town, you should definitely come and check it out because I can pretty much guarantee you won't be disappointed.
Hi, my name is Travis Max, and I'm here at the Connector Effect. I'm having a great time here.
Hi, I'm Diana Vigil with Beget. I'm the Regional Sales Manager. I was invited by Jennifer, who's with the Connector Effect. I think you head it all, right? You're like the CEO. She's the head honcho. She's the muscle
I have
behind
two
it all.
other partners and we're equal.
Okay, there's two more people. She knows how to use her resources. We advertise for mom and pop businesses, free advertising online. And we're based out of Texas. And this was extremely successful for us. I think we just about got every business to sign up. So I highly recommend that everyone attend the Connector Effect. It is an intimate setting. It's a little different than your typical women business expos, you know, those are larger events. But I think you get more for your, I guess, bigger bang for your buck in an event like this. So come! Join Beget, sign up. We're giving away a card. Last day to register is tomorrow. Beget, you know, Business of Champions. And again, attend the next Connector Effect. I'm Diana Vigil. Mwah.
Social networking, and it's a great time, and we're at Stay Space, and everyone's excited and enjoying networking and meeting everyone, and I suggest that other people come to the next meeting.